I'm here with Blaine Carver after an exciting 1-0 overtime win. Blaine, can you just tell us about the goal and what happened?
Well, I think it was the third minute of first overtime. It's kind of back and forth for the first 2 minutes, and all of a sudden Chris Morris got the ball. He was about 25 yards out from the goal on the left side, and he saw me just making a diagonal run in from the right side. Just slipped in a great ball. I was able to beat the keeper to it and just slip it on the left side of the net.
Just tell us your thoughts on how the team played today and kind of what you thought.
I thought we played all right. It was pretty rushed throughout the game. I thought we needed to just get down and play a little more, but yeah, I think we were excited for the first home game. It was exciting to see all the fans back at it, and but yeah, it was, like I said before, it was a back and forth game. Dixie State's a really hard-working team. Fortunately, we were able to pull off the win tonight.
Starting off the season 3-0, just your comments on that.
Well, it's different than the last 2 years I've been here. We've struggled at the beginning of the year for whatever reason, and it feels real good to be 3-0, and hopefully we'll try to get that fourth non-conference win and then head into the conference play.
Yeah, looking forward to Monday. You're going up against 19th ranked Grand Canyon. What do you think about that?
I'm excited. They're a tough team, always a tough team. We're just looking forward to getting after them. So.
Perfect. Thank you very much.